Good day everyone. We will discuss sound and light signals under Code Regs Annex 3. These signals are used by vessels to communicate, warn, and avoid collision, especially during poor visibility or night navigation. So, understanding these signals is very important for the safety of ships and crew at sea.
I'm Jefferson De La Cruz, and I am the reporter 2. My topic is sound signals. Sound signals are made using a whistle or horn, and we have two main types of sound signals. First is short blast. Short blast, aabot siya mga 1 seconds, and sa prolonged blast naman ay aabot mga 4 to 6 seconds. Halimbawa, one short blast, I am altering course to starboard, and number 2 short blast is I am altering course to port, and number 3 is short blast, I am operating a stern propulsion. And sa mga sound signals na ito, mahalaga para ng mga barko sa kanilang galaw at para din maiwasan ng mga aksidente.
Good day everyone. We will discuss about signals and restricted visibility. In fog or poor visibilities, vessels use signals regularly. Sound signals are a critical safety measure under the international regulations for preventing collision at sea. For situations like fog, heavy rain, or darkness, where visual contact between vessels is limited or impossible, they serve two key purposes: to alert other vessels of a ship's presence and communicate its status or maneuvering intentions, reducing collision risk.
This is my report about light signals under Code Regs. Annex 3, light signals are used at night or in low visibility to communicate between vessels. Specifically defines the technical details and positioning of lights and ships, ensuring vessels can correctly identify each other at night or in restricted visibility. Light signals serve to indicate a vessel's presence, indicate direction of movement, and communicate special condition or limitations. Flash turning to starboard and flashes turning to port.
Good morning, sir. My name is Max Robert, section GK. The topic is important compression. Sound and light signals are very important because they prevent collision, improve the communication between vessels. Ito yung halaga ng bawat barko, sound at light signals, dahil nakakatulong ito pamaiwasan ang banggaan ng barko at mapabuti ang komunikasyon ng mga barko. Masigurado ang kaligtasan sa paglalayag ng barko, at dapat sundin ang unawain ng bawat seafarer ang mga signal na ito upang mapanatiling kaligtasan sa dagat. Halimbawa, pagkatapos paliwanag kung paano nakakaiwas sa aksidente ang sound at light signal, naaalala ng compression na ang pagsusunod sa mga nakakatulong upang mapanatiling ligtas ang lahat ng lalayag sa dagat.